Look at that Peterbilt, super nice, looking cool. Just got a car wash, looking extra fresh. Look at those chromed out rims, pipes, visor. Look at all that chrome. Why don't you look at all that chrome? Danny Dedicated Trucking LLC, chromed out truck. Today, right? Hey, tell YouTube what's your name.
You will be able to be 220 years old.
You know that's my name. You know that's my name means old age and wisdom, right?
Yeah.
What are you cleaning over here, mister? The rims, right? Look at all that chrome. Hey, look at all that chrome. What's your name?
Mr. Larry.
Mr. Larry, that's right. Look at all that chrome, Mr. Larry. Chrome, chromed out pipes, chromed out thing, steps, hubcaps. Up over here, we got the lights, clearance lights. Got the hood, the bumper. We got hit by a deer. He hit a deer yesterday. So that's why he's in for some chrome today. We got over here, we got Owen Livestock, blue and white truck, just a little single action. Looks like we got some chrome. He's getting a new bumper. That's what he wants, and got all that chrome to work with. Hey, good morning, YouTube Nation. My boy right over here is just experiencing some troubles with his headlight. It's too small. Is it too small?
Too big.
Too big, right? And what kind of truck do you got?
Freightliner Century.
Freightliner Century?
Yeah.
Really? What year?
07.
Wow. 07 Freightliner Century. Orange truck getting fixed today. Booker Trans, Amarillo, Texas. Freightliner Century 2007. Hey, how much money did this truck cost you?
I paid $43,500.
$43,500. What year is it?
2007 Western Star with the C15 cat.
Wow. 2007 Western Star.
Yeah.
You paid 50.
$43,500.
$43,500.
And I got a
Western Star. What kind?
4900 EX.
4900 EX Western Star. What color is this? What color is this bad boy?
Industrial gold, I guess.
What is it?
Some kind of industrial gold, I guess.
Industrial gold. That's amazing. What's your name, sir?
I'm Tony.
Tony. I'm Omar. Nice to meet you. I do YouTube, and I like to point out people's chrome. And it's like, look at that chrome. That's my catchphrase.
This is probably the most crown and jewel of the whole thing.
I got you. Open over here.
This is trucker.
Hey, look at that. What is that?
It's trucker.
Trucker. How you doing, sir? Oh, nice to meet you. Oh, please.
They got these up the side of the building.
Did they have the bumper you wanted?
Yeah, I gotta go in here and see what kind of vehicles do my boss. My boss wants to buy 5 cattle guards.
Cattle guards? Is that a cattle guard?
Not cattle guard, goose guard.
Goose guard. This is a Western Star, industrial gold, 4350 on the market for 4350 brand new. Interview with the truckers, we out. Look at that Peterbilt. What kind of truck is your truck?
Peterbilt.
Which one?
386.
Okay. And what's your YouTube channel?
Life with HSD.
Life with HSD. That's your yellow Peterbilt.
Yeah.
389.
No, 386.
386. What year is it?
09.
09. And how many years have you been an owner operator?
5 years.
Wow. What's your name?
David.
And what's your channel again one more time?
Life with HSD.
Life with HSD.
I started with a 95. Oh, you're right.
No, tell me.
No, I didn't realize you had that going. I
Yeah.
started with a 95 Ford and a 1-car trailer.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, life with HSD.
Life with HSD. Yeah.
Let's go check out what life
Here,
with.
right here's that. What is it?
No, come on out.
Okay.
Come on out when you're
Well, I
done.
will, but he's working.
I'm gonna look you. I'm gonna look you up. Look what we got. Our life with HSD himself. Peterbilt, chromed out wheels, pipes, mirrors, fog lights. Life with HSD right over here. We got a Peterbilt 386, and we got all these lights, chromed out pipes, and visor, and horns, and rims. And we got the nice dog Heist. Heist. What's up, Heist? What's up, Heist? Hello. We got a good dog up in there, and he's moving a flatbed, and it's looks like it's carrying equipment. What are you hauling? What are you hauling? It's a what? A moon lift, that's right. A moon lift. That's a moon lift, guys. Alright, so we got a Heist, the dog, and we got a life with HSD. A life with HSD. With his nice Peterbilt 386. Interview with the trucker. Where'd that bumper go? Look at all that Peterbilt 386. Peterbilt 386. Peterbilt 386. My God. Are you Bruce?
Butch.
Butch.
Yeah.
That's right. What are you getting worked on today? What kind of work are you getting done for your truck?
I'm getting the light bar put on, new mud flaps, bumper.
Light bar, mud flaps, bumper,
Yeah.
and that's a brand new chromed out bumper
Yeah. With lights.
with lights. Those are amber.
Yes.
Mud flaps with also that extra piece to keep it stable.
Yeah.
And those what are those called?
The light bars.
Light bars.
Mud flap hangers.
Chrome mud flap hangers
Yeah.
on that Peterbilt 386.
Yes, sir.
Right over there. And we got
Butch.
Butch, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Butch. We said that was 2013.
13.
And you're an owner operator.
Mm-hmm.
You've been running from California to Boston
Mm-hmm.
to Maryland
Mm-hmm.
and back.
Mm-hmm.
And you've been running for with a couple different companies.
Mm-hmm.
And it's time for you to put on some chrome today.
That's right.
And that's really cool because that's all I do, to be honest. I take videos and hopefully they're successful.
Mm-hmm.
And just basically I look at people's trucks and what they're changing with their chrome and making it interesting.
There
You know,
we
showing the before and afters.
Right on, right on.
You know, someone's got to give you guys a shout out. Might as well be me.
There you go.
You know. What else? So this is a 386 Peterbilt KM Peyton.
Show the truck. Go up there and go around the truck, get a full.
Let's get a good look, right, for the YouTube nation. Peterbilt 386. We got Gerardo Martin putting on a bumper and some mud flaps. Almost there. Okay, mas. What's up, YouTube? We got a gentleman over here. Got a Freightliner. Red. What kind of Freightliner is this?
O2.
O2.
Freightliner Century.
Freightliner Century.
Yeah, O2.
How long have you been the owner operator of this bad boy?
Going on 2 years now.
Did you have to pay a lot for it?
Nah.
It was before the market went up.
I had a truck like 2 years now. Yeah, I paid little. I ain't paid that much for it, man.
How many years have you been doing trucking?
I've been driving for 20 years.
Gotcha. What are you getting worked on? What kind of work are you getting done today?
Just getting the rim polished, putting a new steering wheel in there right now.
New steering wheel. Can I go look at it?
Yeah, you got it right here.
That's Gerardo. That's my boy.
Yeah.
He's nice.
But he got a loader. He got a loader. It's over there.
Okay, I'm gonna look at first this one. This one's getting renewed.
Yeah.
What's wrong with this one?
Nothing, just old. Just want another one.
Time for a new one, right?
Yeah.
You said this is a 2000?
Yes, sir. 2002.
You too? You got a 2000? So just getting them chromed out wheels done. God's touch. I see that you guys got this God's touch. What's going on with you guys?
And just got one for God. Want to have this?
Yeah.
One for God. One be.
Thank God, right?
Thank God.
I'm gonna say thank God. This one's gonna be shout out to God. Thank you for giving us this opportunity
thank God
for one more day to live, truck, and die trying.
That's it.
You know, we can only ask God to protect us and to get us to a greater tomorrow. You know, it's a miracle that we're still alive. You know, you just gotta be grateful for that.
Yeah, I just where I'm going. Yeah.
God's touch is cool logo. God's touch. Do you guys does it represent? Is it your company name?
Company name right here.
Goins Trucking.
Yeah, Gavin Trucking. Yeah.
Who's Gowan?
My brother.
You guys are brothers, right? How much older is he than you?
I'm older than he is.
Oh.
I'm older.
By how much?
10, about 10 years.
Wow. So today you're getting your chrome done over there.
Yeah, the wheels polished.
Wheel polished.
Yeah, the steering wheel.
You can get a new steering wheel up there. And that's it?
That's it for right now.
Gotcha. Yeah, I've just been making these videos. Some of them go viral. You know, just...
What's your YouTube channel?
yeah, I can get it. It's Omar Abumayaleh, OMAR ABUMAYALEH, and we just talk to truckers out here and appreciate them.
Yeah.
And then I feel like YouTube appreciates that, and then I get paid. You guys get paid down the road.
yeah.
That's my motto.
Alright.
Everyone's like, "Hey, when are you gonna pay us?"
No, that's it.
Everyone, no, like they say to me.
Yeah.
I don't get money yet.
Yeah.
I still have to build up like a content, you know.
Yeah.
Anyways, thank you. What's your name
My
again?
name is William.
William. I'm Omar.
Okay, Omar.
And I'm
Appreciate it, man.
gonna show you how to subscribe to my channel in a
Okay.
second.
Good work.
Great. Thank you for the